About to run out of wind, too. Whoop. There we go. Up, power up. And we're flying. A little bit. Oh, sorry. Woohoo!
Good little airplane.
Yes, of course.
Maxwell.
Hey, Keith, I hear you.
How you doing, buddy?
All right, who was that?
That's John Noble in his Tailwind.
Oh, cool. I don't know whether he saw me or not. I didn't see him until he was almost at me.
He does experimental coming up on the runway. He told me about you, so you can't get by with nothing here.
I keep trying, though.
Yeah, I had you in sight. No worries.
Are you coming back again?
Yeah, he's like a bad habit. He just keeps coming back.
I'm going to make a low pass from the west to the east. Sort of.
Okay, John, you get that?
Yeah, I got it. I'll stay up above 1,000 or so. And I'm looking, so yeah, have you in sight right now.
Oh, I lost Keith's runway.
Yeah, I think Nance might be out there also. I see the Cub. Yeah, he doesn't have a radio in that one either. You ought to get a bill for this air show all the time.
Okay, I'm making a low pass right now. West to east.
Yeah, I've got you in the ultralight. There's also a Cub on the east end, but he's higher than you.
Low pass in a Searey isn't very fast. Well, it says 110 miles an hour. That's a bit.
Searey is a boat.
Okay, I'm going to brake right and turn over toward the river.
Yeah, I'm on the west side now, but I'm up at 1,300, and again, the Cub doesn't have radio.
Okay, I'm at 650.
Yeah, I got you. Cub might be landing, I'm not sure.
Say again?
The Cub, he may be landing, I'm not sure, just doing a flyby. I think the field's kind of wet still.
I got to head back. I'm getting low on fuel. Beautiful day, though.
Hey, what's Dave? John?
It might be Mikey.